The 2025 Porsche 911 keeps the legacy alive while quietly shifting gears into a new era. Literally. With the Carrera S, and the first ever hybrid Carrera GTS, Porsche shows it is not afraid to evolve while staying true to the flat six formula. And yes, each one of these icons still rolls out of the Zuffenhausen factory in Stuttgart, Germany, just like they always have. The Carrera starts things off with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat six engine that delivers 388 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque. It is the most accessible 911 in the lineup, but that does not mean it holds back. This is still a Porsche through and through, balanced, quick, and engaging from the moment you hit the start button. Then there is the Carrera S. It uses the same 3.0-liter twin-turbo engine, but tuned up to 473 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. It hits harder, revs quicker, and makes for a more aggressive driving experience without stepping into GTS or turbo territory. For drivers who crave more dynamic punch without losing daily comfort, this is the sweet spot. The big leap comes with the new Carrera GTS. Porsche took a bold step by introducing hybrid power here, but do not panic. This is not about efficiency, it is about more performance. The GTS uses a new 3.6-liter turbocharged flat six paired with an electric motor to produce 534 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. That is a serious bump in output, and it translates into seriously fast driving. What is more impressive is that the hybrid setup does not mess with the driving feel. It adds torque where it counts and keeps the 911's signature balance intact. Every version is assembled at Porsche's Zuffenhausen factory, a place that blends cutting-edge engineering with decades of sports car heritage. This is not just about faster lap times. It is about preserving the soul of the 911 while moving it into the future. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments. Would you go for the traditional Carrera or jump into the electrified GTS?